Hello again. So today it will be the first day of our series of vlogs for what I'm doing in the garden daily. So this is a new batch next to the tomato. I just till it all and then I put all the ropes and the strings to shape the bed. 75 centimeter, 45 like JM Book, the market gardener. And the nice thing about this spacing, like the 75, that you can step easily on the top of the bed, and the 45 is enough to pass with the wheelbarrow. And yeah, now I will shovel all the best way, put it on the bed, so I have a bit of shape, more or less, for the bed, and then I will start at the manure. And this is my tiller. And this will be the first and the last time I use it to open this ground. And from then after, just broad forking. Yeah. Now we're done with shaping the beds. It really takes a lot of time and effort with the shovel. One scoop to the right, one scoop to the left, so the bed can get a bit up. So when it's rain, it can not be floody. And now it's time to manure. We move this with the wheelbarrow, and each bed will take maybe 5-6 wheelbarrow to get a nice beginning. So good morning. Here we are. The beds have covered with the manure. 2 beds already transplanted with Chinese cabbage, and another 2 I'll transplant it now with bok choy. It's the first time I grow it actually, and the last one will be radicchio. And there I think I will try to prepare another 2 beds in this area, maybe 3. We will see what we can do. And here I used the grader that I made actually. It's homemade wooden grader. It's still working since 3 years, and I pass and give me the 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, for 25 per 25 centimeter, which is the distance that I use for Chinese cabbage, bok choy, radicchio, salad, many things. If I want to plant something else, I'll just skip one and plant 50 or 75 or whatever. So yeah, here it is, all transplanted. Maybe with the other side, yeah. 3 rows, 25 centimeter, all transplanted. Bok choy, Chinese cabbage, and radicchio. And now I start to till it with this machine, to till this, to see how much beds we can go. And the water on.